All right, Aaron's back as we kick off a brand new week. If there are some things you want to get done, but you don't want to waste a summer day, today's probably your day to do it.
Yeah, today's a pretty good day for that.
Yeah.
Why waste a good? We have good ones coming up, so don't waste them.
Right, so get all that stuff done now.
Today.
Yeah, I mean, look at.
Well, that's happening.
Yeah. Well, you literally can't even see half of anything. So, yeah, use this day to get everything else done. Good morning, everybody. It's foggy outside. You can see that you can't see. It's not really raining quite yet, but the rain is on the way because of this low pressure system sitting over the area right now. Really gonna start to bring us some rain here shortly. We also have Category 1 Hurricane Ernesto sitting out in the Atlantic. That's increased and is continuing to increase the swell outside. And as we move through the next several days, high pressure is working its way in. That's luckily gonna provide us with lots of sunshine, and eventually it's going to help bring some warmer air into the forecast as well. Now, for your day here today, we have a couple showers working their way into the forecast through your morning. Just a few, generally pretty scattered. So for the first part of your day, we're not going to notice a ton. We're going to have maybe up to a half, maybe an inch of rain. That's the stretching it though, probably about a half an inch of rain for many of us at the most. This afternoon, you can see we're going to have a nice little break, so just going to kind of be like the last couple of days where we have mostly cloudy skies, maybe a sprinkle here and there, high temperatures right in the low to mid 70s. A little bit after that, closer to dinner time or even later, depending on if you live farther west or east in the area, we're going to start to see the cold front moving through. This is where that is, at that point you can see that broken line of storms continue to move across the state. As that does, most of us going to see it a little bit later on that evening. We're going to start to see some torrential downpours in the area. We're also going to see some gusty winds as this continues to roll through. The good news is, number one, we're losing some of our daytime heating by that point because the sun's going to go away and set. But number two, we're also getting to have a lot of clouds today. With those clouds, we're limiting our instability because we're not really getting the surface heating. Long story short, we shouldn't really have many severe or any severe storms with this. But that doesn't mean we still can't see some flooding as those go through because of some heavy rainfall. We're still going to have the potential for some gusty winds as this moves through and kind of breaks apart. But just be aware, and the farther south and the farther west you live, the better chance you have for any of those storms in your area. Continuing into tomorrow morning, that really all wraps up by about 2, 3, 4 a.m. So as you're sleeping, you're going to really have everything wrapping up for the most part. Could have a few sprinkles or light showers tomorrow morning, but really wouldn't expect to see much. We should actually get a little bit of sunshine by tomorrow evening. We're also going to have some cooler air working in behind that cold front, and that's why temperatures are dropping just a few more degrees, right around 70 for the next couple of days. But it starts to warm up. We're going to get up to around 80 degrees for the weekend, so it really gets a little bit more summer-like here by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next thing we're talking about is Hurricane Ernesto, Category 1 hurricane, 85-mile-an-hour sustained wind speeds. Going to continue to move off to the northeast, and as that does, it becomes a post-tropical low. You can see it's really not going to affect us all that much, or so it looks, but it still will, especially and mainly only along the coastline, because the entire coastline right now is under a high surf advisory. We have a lot of swell because of that, and the surf height is 5 to 7 feet. We have large breaking waves along the coast, and rip currents are a concern as well. So if you're going in or on the water, just be aware of that today. This advisory goes until 8 p.m. this evening. We also have a full moon tonight that's going to, in addition to water being pushed up against the coast because of Ernesto, we have increased astronomical tides as well. Near minor flood stage for Portland would be 12 feet. We're at 11.9 is what we're forecasted to get to tonight at around 11:30 p.m. So just be aware that we could have some splash over. And as we go through the next couple of days as well, for tomorrow, when Wednesday morning around 12:30 a.m., we could get into action stage, and we likely will. So just be aware of that. More seas 5 to 8 feet out there today. Winds out of the southeast around 5 to 10 knots. And your small craft advisory is until Tuesday morning, at 8 a.m. So the scattered showers and storms for the rest of your day here today. The best chance will be around dinner time until about sunset, midnight-ish. So it depends on where you live. West to east is where that cold front will move through. A couple showers wrapping up tomorrow morning, but after that, only chance of rain really is going to be up in the mountains on Wednesday and Thursday. The rest of us are going to start to dry out, getting more sunshine out there. Temperatures slowly start to warm up, and the humidity actually drops quite a bit more as well here as we go throughout your day tomorrow and into the rest of the week. So it's looking a lot nicer here. We just got to get through today.
All right. Don't mind the delayed gratification there. Sounds good. Thank you, sir.